Hey, how's it going? I may have mentioned I'm doing this Thinkful boot camp on machine learning. So far, it's just been data manipulation and introduction to Python. Honestly, I probably didn't need an introduction to Python, but that's what the course is, so that's fine. There's quite a bit of material here. I thought that what they were calling a module was a lesson. And so I didn't think that there was that much content. But when I realized that each module is like 7 or 8 lessons, I'm like, oh crap, that might actually really take a few months to finish. So I decided to put my, what's a good metaphor? My nose to the grindstone? Is that a good one? And try to push through 7 different lessons today. It's supposed to take 7 days, but I mean, it never seems to take as long as I think it's going to. These SQL assessments kind of given me heartburn a little bit. Here, when I loaded this up, I didn't know what the name of the table was. So I was completely screwed. I came over here. What's the command in pgadmin to show a list of tables? Because the one I know from my SQL does not work. But anyways, I figured it out. Don't mean to whine so much. Let's see if I can not make an ass of myself if I click one of these. This qualified.io assessment is pretty cool. I've never used this site before, but little bit of inconsistency. Is not quite as formulaic as like Leet Code, but it still works. So let's see here. So I got this base query here. Write a query that returns the average sale price of houses per year built. Call this field average sale price, rounded to the nearest whole number and sorted from newest to oldest. Hint, within the first line of your query, use the following code so that the proper data type is used to avoid results displaying in scientific notation. Okay. I mean, I appreciate the hint, but it kind of almost feels like cheating if they just give it to me, but whatever. So, write a query that returns the average sale price of houses per year built. Call this field average sale price. Okay. That would be the average sale price rather than nearest whole number. And sorted from newest to oldest. So we're going to want year built and then group by year built and order by year built. Okay. Did I do that right? I do know a little SQL, but I'm not very strong in SQL. I am legitimately learning stuff, so I guess that's a good way to put it. Year built, average sale price. Year built, average sale price. Is that it? Apparently not. Oh, I had it backwards. So it was already ascending. They wanted it to be descending. Got confused which text was which. Actually, that makes sense because ascending is the default. That's why it didn't look very familiar. All right, well, that worked. I got 12 more of these to do. I'm actually legitimately a little tired right now. So I think this will probably be it for the evening. I'm hoping to learn some cool machine learning stuff. I felt a little bit silly making that last video because I've wanted to study machine learning stuff for a while, but I needed guided training. I mean, I can't just grab a copy of Jupyter Notebooks and just teach myself machine learning. And I feel like that's what I was telling other people to do. It's like, oh yeah, just grab a copy of an IDE and set up a CI/CD pipeline. It's like, where do you start with that? And so probably tutorials and guided practice, or maybe even a boot camp like this. I think Thinkful is pretty good. I think that they were just bought out very recently, or changed their name, rebranded or something to Chegg, Chegg. But it seems like in the industry, people know what that is. So it's not going to be like some certification from some, obscure place you've never heard of before. That a boot camp certification from Thinkful, or whatever they've changed their name to, probably actually does stand for something. Now, does it stand for as much as a university degree? I wouldn't say that. And I'm not a hiring manager, so you know what? I could be wrong, but that was at least the feeling that I got. So yeah, I'm learning some SQL here. Apparently, the capstone is going to be like, I get to choose what the topic is, so that's interesting. I haven't been able to choose a topic for something in quite a while. It's like give me flashbacks to English class or something. All right. Anyways, see ya.